Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampItCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome back for another video tutorial, and as promised, I have one more card using the adorable Sweet Songbirds stamp set and coordinating punch. This comes in a bundle for 10% off. You don't want to not take advantage of a savings. I love a savings. I will have a link below the video on where to order this and a link to my blog with all the supplies we're going to use today. Now, as I promised, we are going to do stamping, punching, masking. We've got it all today. So this is a great example of a scene builder stamp set that we use lots of different stamps and images to create like a scene. Hello. Not that hard. Not that hard to understand. So I'm going to start with a base of Poppy Parade. And this is kind of dark, so I just use a piece of white cardstock for the inside. I'm going to stamp that in a minute. And then I have a piece of this, it's Pear Pizzazz Old Olive. It's on the back's this funky little flower pattern. This is from the new Design a Daydream Designer Series paper hose pack. So this can only be ordered, whoop, I got string attached, ordered on a host order, or if you have an order of $150 or more, you can purchase this at a discounted price as a host, or on, you know, a customer with a customer order of $150 or more. You get a lot. You get 4 sheets of each pattern. It's a big pack of paper, so I love this one. Okay, so I have got 2 pieces of basic white cardstock. This is my main one. This is the one that's going to glue. I'm going to glue it to the right side of my, flush with the side of my card base, just for something a little bit different. So let's do a little stamping on this one first. So I'm going to start with a branch. We're going to stamp the branch and then build our scene from there. So we're going to start with Early Espresso. I'm going to turn my branch this way. It can go either way, which is what I like about it. But we're going to build a nest on it, so I want to make it a little more curved to give me a space for my nest. And I'm going to do the nest in soft suede just because I want it brown, but not the same shade of brown. I've got my nest on the other side of my block here. And let's just stamp this right in the curve of the branch. Perfect. All right. Now let's stamp a few leaves. Why not? I'm going to use Old Olive and stamp a few leaves on our branch. I'm going to do, these are designed to go right here. Let's get them lined up. I'm going to do a few more kind of coming up from this direction. Let's see, because the tree is going to be a little different. Okay, and we've got all kinds of other branches and leaves coming in. All right, now I want to put a bird in my nest. So I'm going to take a Post-it note. You can tell I've already used this. I just keep this in my stamp set, so I have it to mask that off, and we're going to stamp a little bird. We're going to take this little one, and I'm going to do bluebirds this time. Bluebirds or robins. I think bluebirds, but I want this one just kind of popped up in the nest, right about there. Okay. I'm going to stamp another bird while we're doing this. While we have the blue out, I'm going to stamp another bird. I've already got it on my block lined up, so I can stamp everything at once, which I like about these builder punches. They're spaced out enough that I can put my other pieces on here and then punch them out in one punch. Just got to get it lined up. I think that's lined up. Looks pretty lined up. Nice. Okay. I'm not going to use that beak. Okay. See, you mess that off. Now, when you put a mask, I don't put it right to where I want it. I put it a little bit below because there's always just even on a thin Post-it or we have some new masking paper that has not come in. It's coming in tomorrow for me. But there's always a little gap. So always put this a little bit below the part that you're masking off. Just a little bit of a tip. I'll show you why, because let's do one. If I do this on my scrap paper, let's pretend that's the mask. Oh, here, let's just do this. Here's our nest. If I put it right above the nest or right on the top of the nest, so it's lined up flush with the top of my nest, put a bird there, see there's a gap. So you want to put it always just a tad below. And here you can see, I've got a, if you can see that, I've got a little, I can see the nest above it. See, I see a little bit of the nest, and then I can stamp a bird, and then it's coming right out of the nest. So when you mask, always pay attention to that. Okay, I think we're done with the blue. So now we need to do a little bit of I'm going to do a robin redbreast or a bluebird. Do bluebirds have red? I don't know. I need to clean the stamp. And I'm going to take this breast. I'm using it as a wing and as part of the bird. Okay, let's make sure we're getting the right one. We have two separate ones. So this one is for the big bird. And I'm going to hopefully line that up on the big bird. Ah, I love it when that happens. Okay, then we need one for the small bird. And I think it's this one right here. Okay, we do have to mask it off because we don't want that going down into our nest. All right. Well, not perfect, but it will have to do. Stamping is not always perfect, is it? It's okay. All right. Now we're going to grab our mango and we're going to stamp our beaks. And I can use one beak for both of these. The trick is to get it lined up straight. Okay, try this one more time on this one. Okay, not too bad. Now we need some eyes for our birds. I feel like there's a lot going on right here. Okay, we're going to get some black, and we're going to give Mama Bird the resting eyes, or sleeping eyes, and then Daddy Bird's going to have wide open eyes. All right. I think we're getting close to being good here. We can... I think this is all we're stamping on this piece. So let's adhere this down. Looking for my adhesive is what I'm looking for. All right. We're going to center it on our DSP, but it's going to be butting up on the right side of our card front. Cute. Okay, I don't know, that's kind of bothering me, but you know what? That's just the way it's going to be. So we have two wings on our bird. This can double as a wing. It does not have to be, it has double duty, two stamps in one. All right, I'm looking for dimensionals. There's so many stamps over here. Okay. Let's pop this up on our bird. And then I'm going to put this one here, but I'm not going to pop it up. I'm going to just glue it on. Let's just glue with a teeny bit of Tombow right there. Okay. And then, okay, he's kind of fluttering in. I don't have a worm. That's one thing we don't have in this, is a worm. I feel like that's what it's missing. You know? Whoops. I lost my wing. Let's put a pop-up there just to make sure, till it's completely dry, and then we'll put one down here. Okay. Make sure we're all sticky. Okay, now we have Papa Bird coming down. Cute. Okay, now we're going to stamp our sentiments. So I have a little strip. I think that's, how big is that? I feel like that's 3/8 of an inch. Yep, 3/8 of an inch. So we are going to stamp congratulations on our balmy blue cardstock. Let's see, we'll just stamp it in the middle, and then we're going to flag it. And then on the inside, this is great for a new baby. It says, you've got something to celebrate. Cute. Okay. We need like a baby bird or a little set of eggs. That would be good too. To figure out if we can come up with something like that. Okay. So we are going to pop up our congratulations. Right here. And then this goes on the inside. We could actually stamp that nest down in the bottom and do, you know what? We could. I've already got glue on here though. Let's do this. We're going to try it. We're going to try it and see what happens. Okay, this is called improvising on the spot. I don't know if it's a good idea or not. I feel like I should practice this before I do it, but I'm just going to do it and then we'll see. You know what? It's just paper. It's just paper, and if it doesn't work how I think it's going to work, I'll just take this out and put a new piece in, right? Okay. I need to find my mask. I'm going to mask this off, and I'm going to see if there's a piece here that might work for eggs. It's this, it's the wing. Hold on. It's the wing. I took the wings off. It's kind of, no, that's not very rounded. That's the little one though. Where's the bigger wing? Here. This bigger wing is kind of rounded, and I'm wondering if it would work for eggs, for just the tips of eggs. Let's see. I feel like it might. Okay, I think they have blue eggs. Let's see. Oh, this might work. Okay. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, just a little one. Yes! So excited. It works. There. Perfect. Now we have a really nice one with baby eggs inside. Yay. Isn't that cute? Just ignore that. Not very straight, but you know, that's okay. All right. I hope you enjoyed the card today, even with our improvisation period. So that works. Take that home with you and use it. All right. Thanks everybody for stopping by. Make sure to click subscribe and links below to order and to get the supply list and all the colors I used today. Thanks everybody. I'll see you back here on Thursday. Bye-bye.